Changing a bathtub spout is a fun and simple DIY project. Here's how to do it. First, determine which type of spout you have, either a thread-on or set screw style. Look to see if there's a hole or opening on the underneath side of the spout. This usually indicates a set screw model. If you don't see an opening or feel a small hexagon screw, it's most likely a thread-on. In addition to your new tub spout, you'll also need to gather these tools and supplies. First, place a towel in the tub to help protect it. Now, remove the spout by scoring the caulking with your box cutter and then turning the spout counterclockwise. Pliers can be used in the removal process if needed. Remove any old sealant residue. If your new spout needs a longer pipe nipple, remove the old one. Next, wrap Teflon tape around both ends of the new longer pipe nipple threads 3 times in a clockwise manner. Thread the new pipe nipple into the 90-degree elbow within the wall. Turn clockwise until tight. Now, thread the new tub spout onto the pipe and turn clockwise until hand tight against the wall. Then, turn on the water to flush out any debris. Finally, apply a small amount of caulk in a color that coordinates with your tub. Excess caulk can be cleaned with water and a soft rag. That's all there is to changing a thread-on bathtub spout and upgrading the look of your bathroom. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.